I can't stand Christmas. Never liked it. Well, I liked it as a kid. But as an adult, it struck me as very repetitive. Over and over again, same thing every year. So I tend to avoid it. But one of my customers talks me into decorating her tree every year. So that's why I'm here. I bought the most expensive tree Home Depot sells. Noble fir, 6 to 8 feet, about 7 feet I guess. I still need to trim the end off, but I have a chainsaw at work, so I'm just gonna buy it as is and we'll deal with it tomorrow. So Home Depot sells a variety of trees from like 29 bucks to this one, which is 85. Okay, and it's great. I've actually bought it 3 years in a row. Perfect tree. Noble fir, 85 bucks. Home Depot. There you go. Promo. Well, inside the front gates, I've done up 8 pots. 6 of them with tiny little fairy lights. I don't know if you can see those. They're not very bright right now. Hopefully they'll be nicer tonight. But each fairy light pot is run on 2 watch batteries. I have no idea how long they're going to last. But I've got 24 spares. So, here's the Christmas tree. The bottom has not been trimmed yet. It's on a funny angle. It needs to be flat and square and freshly cut, so when it goes in the water it's able to absorb maximum water. So it's a good thing to cut this if you have the means. Even a handsaw will take you 1 minute. Cut that just before you put it into the Christmas stand. So we have the old handy dandy lithium ion chainsaw. This should be fun. Alright, let's give it a try. Nice mess. I think that should be fine. Looks pretty square to me. Get that back on safely. Clean up this mess after. And it's time to put up a Christmas tree. When in Rome. Okay, a couple things about dressing a tree. I couldn't show this to you because the owner was here. But now the cat's away and the mice are going to film. So one of the things you can get the most out of your Christmas lights by doing is start at the bottom. So here we have the controller power source right here, and there's 6 different programs for this. We can try a different one. Ooh, isn't that cute? Or flashy. Oh, that's nice too. Okay, let's leave it like that for a minute. So the bottommost branches have to be cut off so that the stem of the tree sits right in the water and all the way to the bottom of the holder. If it's not in the bottom of the holder, the whole thing will be tippy. It's a good idea to get somebody else to hold it straight up, and then you step back and look at it from a couple angles, make sure it's the right pitch, straight, and then tighten up all 4 screws evenly, right? Don't do all the way. Bring them all pretty close to the tree trunk, so the tree trunk's centered in the holder, and then tighten them all up separately until it's like really as tight as you can possibly. In fact, you might even want to put a screwdriver in there and really tighten it, but this is pretty stable. Finally, you've cut off a bunch of those branches. You can turn them into like a wreath for the front door. I'll show them to you in a second. Cut them all off at the bottom. Just with regular pruners, we'll cut through those. You don't need anything major. And finally, make sure you have a dedicated watering can for this. Cut a gap at the back so that you can easily see the container. Stick your finger in and pour the water in until it's all the way at the very, 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 very top. Okay, the reason you do that is this thing's really thirsty. And probably by tomorrow that water will be gone. So check it every day for the first few days. You probably need to top it up every single day for the first few days until it gets as much as it needs, and then it'll slow down consuming water considerably. But the first few days, very important. Okay, that's why I've got it full, because I won't be here and somebody has to come and notice this and notice that and fill it up. Other than that, enjoy your decoration. According to the latest press, Michelle Pfeiffer does not put ornaments on her tree this year, just lights. Okay, so that's the trend this year, just lights. But I know the owner will be back on Saturday to decorate the crap out of this. But my job's done. Okay, see you next time.